Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into Introduction to Planning and Organizing. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, improve time management, or understand the fundamentals of planning and organizing, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you master these essential skills with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on Introduction to Planning and Organizing. Why this topic matters. Understanding planning and organizing is crucial for achieving personal and professional goals. Effective planning and organizing skills help you manage your time efficiently, prioritize tasks, and enhance productivity. Without these skills, you may struggle with meeting deadlines, staying on top of responsibilities, and maintaining a balanced workload. For instance, research shows that individuals with strong planning and organizing skills are more likely to achieve their goals and experience less stress. This section will explore why mastering these skills is essential and how they can lead to significant positive changes in your life. 8 essential tips for effective planning and organizing. Tip 1. Set clear goals and objectives. This tip helps you define what you want to achieve and provides direction. For example, establish SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to guide your planning efforts and track progress effectively. Tip 2. Create a detailed plan. Implementing this will help you outline the steps needed to reach your goals. It's particularly useful for breaking down complex tasks into manageable actions. Develop a detailed plan that includes deadlines, milestones, and resources required for each step. Tip 3. Use a planner or digital tools. Here's why this is important for staying organized. Consider how using a planner, calendar, or digital tools like task management apps can help you keep track of deadlines, appointments, and tasks. Choose tools that fit your style and needs for better organization. Tip 4. Prioritize tasks. This approach helps you focus on what's most important and manage your time effectively. By prioritizing tasks, you can tackle high-impact activities first and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use methods such as the Eisenhower matrix or ABC prioritization to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Tip 5. Establish a routine. By applying this, you can create structure and consistency in your daily activities. A well-established routine helps you manage time more effectively and ensures that important tasks are completed regularly. Develop a daily or weekly schedule that includes time for work, breaks, and personal activities. Tip 6. Delegate responsibilities. This tip will help you manage your workload and improve efficiency. An example of this could be delegating tasks to team members or outsourcing certain responsibilities to free up your time for more critical activities. Learn to identify tasks that can be delegated and provide clear instructions. Tip 7. Review and adjust plans regularly. It's crucial for staying on track and adapting to changes. This method can help you address any issues that arise and make necessary adjustments. Regularly review your plans and progress, and be flexible in modifying them based on new information or changing circumstances. Tip 8. Practice time management techniques. Incorporating this will help you optimize your use of time. Techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or the 2-minute rule can enhance productivity and reduce procrastination. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include difficulty setting priorities, managing time effectively, and maintaining consistency. For example, you might struggle with balancing multiple tasks and deadlines. To tackle these, consider developing a clear prioritization strategy, using time management techniques, and regularly reviewing your plans to stay on track. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your planning and organizing goals more effectively. Difficulty setting priorities. Use prioritization methods like the Eisenhower matrix to clarify task importance. Managing time effectively. Implement time management techniques and tools to stay organized. Maintaining consistency. Establish and stick to routines, and regularly review and adjust your plans. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Introduction to planning and organizing. Set clear goals and objectives. Define SMART goals for better direction. Create a detailed plan. Outline steps, deadlines, and resources required. Use a planner or digital tools. Track deadlines and tasks with suitable tools. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-impact activities using prioritization methods. Establish a routine. Develop a consistent daily or weekly schedule. Delegate responsibilities. Share tasks and responsibilities to manage workload. Review and adjust plans regularly. Monitor progress and adapt plans as needed. Practice time management techniques. Use methods like the Pomodoro technique to enhance productivity. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that mastering planning and organizing involves setting clear goals, creating structured plans, and utilizing effective time management strategies. Incorporate these tips into your routine to see real improvements in your productivity and organizational skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.